was not as stressed as I thought she would be. They all went to sleep and I just woke them up. Took me an hour to clean. I had to sweep and mop and scrub the walls and clean out the litter box and washed it out and all that. You want your baby back? She's like, I'm not so sure. I'm enjoying my break. Hi, kitties. Did you enjoy your nap? That's Archie, Birdie. Who's this little brave one? Who'd you got on your fur? That's Pinky. And that's Dobby. Guys wanna come out and play? Birdie had an eye issue when she was younger, and so her eye stuck shut, but we don't know what her actual eye is like. Dobby actually had the same condition, and he went to the ophthalmologist, the vet ophthalmologist yesterday, and his eye is perfect. The only thing that's a little bit off is his inner eyelid is stuck to his third eye. So, but it will always be that way, but it's not damaging anything right now. Archie is finally growing. We had a problem with Archie. He had to get a blood transfusion. And all of a sudden he started growing like crazy. Now he is 1 pound, 13 ounces, which is insane. Because Birdie, who didn't have those problems, is 1 pound, 15 ounces. She's right on the border of 2 pounds. And at 2 pounds is where we fix them. Dobby is over 2 pounds. And Pinky is over 2 pounds. So tomorrow, Pinky, Dobby, and Mommy are getting fixed. And then, Mommy and Pinky, sorry, Dobby's giving me kisses. Mommy and Pinky will be at adoptions this weekend, most likely. We will see how their surgery goes. And, see how Mommy's doing, too. Hey, Birdie. So we're getting into the transition stage. I know a lot of you guys are going to be really sad. But they're ready to go to homes and be the rulers of their houses. Hey, Birdie. Archie has got all these wrinkles. Gosh, he's so big. How did you get so big so fast, buddy? Hi. Okay, I'm gonna focus. Hi. You biting me? Hi. Show everybody how amazing your eyes are. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't. Because they're getting too close. Hi. Yeah, it's so cool. Alright, here's all your toys. Now that your room's all clean. You guys are messy. I had to scrub the walls because there's poop and foodie on the walls. Kittens are really messy. Guess I didn't mind being in the basket too much. Mom's stretching. Glad to have your babies? Mama will have to have a break from her babies so that they won't nurse on her wound. So she will be in my bathroom and getting all the attention in there. This is our spare bathroom, so it's not the one that we use. Hey, babies. Mama's been really friendly lately. And we don't want Mama to have any more babies because these ones almost all died. And there's already too many kittens in the world. So kitties need to be spayed and neutered, all of them, when they get to be 2 pounds. Archie and Birdie we will have longer because they are smaller. Although, actually them are starting to get caught up. But Archie we have to keep longer to see what was going on with him. He's still having diarrhea, which doesn't make any sense because he's eating all the food and he was on anti-diarrhea meds and everything. So we're still concerned about him. Hi, you want us? I got the stuff out of her eye. Oh, she's so pretty. So pretty. There's Pinky. Looking like the little rat. Oh, Alright. Does make it awful hard to film. Already got litter on the floor? You see? Hey. So we're using tons of litter, and we're getting low on it. So we do have an Amazon wish list. Some people asked us to get one of those so that they could help us out. So there is a link to that list below if anybody does want to order some litter. We have a couple fun toys on there as well. Why not? Only likes to eat dry food. It's super weird. I've never seen Dobby. Will Dobby, you eat dry? You need to eat some dry food too, baby. Now Pinky and Birdie and Archie eat some dry. But I've never seen Dobby eat dry food. Hi. So that's the update. We'll keep you updated. What's up with your ear? Do you have some fur missing or something stuck in your fur? It's just something stuck. So I'll let you guys know how all the surgeries go tomorrow and how everybody's doing. And we'll see you later.